ePayPolicy integrates with Vertifor's AMS360 to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Give your clients easy access to your integrated payment page, whether on your website, email signature, or invoice. On the payment page, clients will enter their account number and postal code to access their open invoices. Then, they'll select which invoices they want to pay and have the option to make partial payments per invoice as needed and pay with either credit card or ACH. Both you and the payer will receive an e-receipt displaying the client's account number and the amount paid. This information will also be accessible within the ePayPolicy dashboard. Additionally, an activity and a suspense will be automatically created in AMS360 against the policies of the paid invoice. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the AMS360 integration today.